Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds LG TONE Free with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or Bluetooth. Then at the top click pair new device and now open the charging case. Your earbuds should enter to pairing mode automatically, and you know it by this LED light on the front side. If it's blinking blue, it means that it's entered to pairing mode and you can pair it with your device. Now, we can also enter to pairing mode manually, but right now I haven't this automatically pairing mode. So, right here at the top of your earbuds we have like these dots, and this is touch areas. You need to press and hold at the both of these touch areas until the LED light on the front side start blinking blue. And as you can see, I guess, yeah, right now it entered the pairing mode automatically. But let me reopen it and I'm going to enter pairing mode manually. So I press and hold at this both of touch areas. And now, as you can see, it starts blinking, so I also enter to pairing mode manually. Now I should see it as the device list and you need to tap on it. And then click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!